Hey loves, it's Brianna. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a clean and decorate with me video. We are transforming my master bedroom from fall to Christmas and also doing a deep clean of my master bathroom. Since we are officially in November, I am ready for Christmas music and to decorate the house for Christmas. So I hope that this video gives you some cleaning motivation and inspires you to decorate this holiday season. Please let me know in the comments, when do you like to decorate your home? And I'm a big believer in you do you, but me personally, I love having 2 months of Christmas decor up. I do a lot of work putting this all up, so might as well enjoy it for as long as I can. But I got this red buffalo check duvet cover for our new king size bed. I loved the one, if you saw my video last year, so much I had to get it again, and heck, I just stuffed it using our comforter instead of buying a duvet insert, and it seems to be working just fine. However, I'm so sad because I also ordered this adorable ho 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 pillowcase, but my lumbar pillow, I thought I could just stuff that in there too, but it isn't big enough, so I'll have to still get another pillow insert before I can use that. But I'll link both down below too in case you're interested in doing holiday bedroom decor. I'm using the Method Mint Glass and Surface Cleaner on the mirrors and the Mrs. Meyer's Peppermint scent to wipe down all of the furniture. I am so excited that the Mrs. Meyer scents are now available on Grove. There's the Peppermint, which is my personal favorite, Iowa Pine, and Orange Clove, and I honestly love them all, but I will have a link down below in the description box, and you can get the free dish soap, hand soap, multi-surface spray, and stoneware tray for in your kitchen. You get that free with any $20 purchase. And if you spend $40, you will also get a red cleaning caddy. So cute for the holidays. And if you already order from Grove, you can still use my link and you'll get free walnut scrubber sponges in your next order. And thanks again for anyone who uses my link. This is also a collaboration with my bestie, Tiffani. Her channel is called Beauty and the Beastons. She's going to be doing an all-day clean with me video, so please make sure you head over to her channel after this one for more cleaning motivation. You will love her. She's so empowering to other women. She's real about mom life. She just had her 3rd baby, sweet Ella. You will be so happy following her adorable family, and she will be doing Vlogmas too. And if Tiffani sent you here, please say hi and introduce yourself in the comments so that we can all get to know you. We've got a really supportive and uplifting community of boss moms and boss ladies here, and I'm just so happy to welcome you to this space. So once everything has been wiped down in our bedroom, I have some simple Christmas decor to put out. I have a Merry Christmas garland I got years ago at Target, some little stockings. I think I found these at the Dollar Tree years ago too. Some little pine trees I found at TJ Maxx, and I always put up old Christmas photos from previous years. I love looking back at them. I also have this tray where I got some glittery candles and cinnamon scented pine cones, and somehow they still smell amazing, and they're from last year. So here's how all the decor looks. I think it's just so fun to have a holiday themed bedroom when we cozy up in here to watch Christmas movies and stuff. Moving along to the master bathroom, I'm going to be using my Method Foaming Bathroom Cleaner, and this is also in a mint scent to clean out the tub. And so I let that set for a little, and I'm going to be wiping down all of the tiles surrounding the tub with the Mrs. Meyer's Peppermint Multi-surface spray. I'm all mint themed today in here, and I'm loving it. Then I'm going to be using my Clorox Power Scrubber, which I love for getting into the jets and scrubbing away any soap scum, and then it doesn't hurt my back very much. Then over to the vanity, using that Method Mint Glass Cleaner again. And all of these products, by the way, are available on Grove, so if you want to try any of them out. And I'm using the same foaming Method Bathroom Cleaner in the sinks and that peppermint spray on the countertops and the drawers. Now for my toilets, I use the Clorox toilet wand. I do order these either on Amazon or get them when I'm at Target or Walmart. And my gloves, by the way, are also from Walmart, but this just makes cleaning the toilets in our house so much easier. In our shower stall, I'm spraying everything down with the Method Foaming Spray and then using that same Clorox Power Scrubber and then cleaning off all of the glass doors with the Method Mint Spray. Finally, going to mop the floors with my Hurricane 360 mop. I'll link that for you too. And I'm using the Method Squirt and Mop in the Lemon Ginger scent. That's also from Grove. And make sure you check out that link below so you can get your holiday scented goodies and a bunch of good stuff from Grove. And thank you so much for subscribing here if you're new. I cannot wait to share more cleaning and decorating videos with you this holiday season, sharing my Thanksgiving prep because we're hosting, and I'm going to be doing Vlogmas for the first time this holiday season. I cannot wait, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, loves.